It's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy.
Hello everyone! First and foremost, I would like to thank you for coming into my channel. I truly appreciate it. So for today's recipe, I will be showing you on how to make a really simple classic shepherd's pie. But actually this will be made of minced beef, so I will call it cabbage pie. But in general, we just call it shepherd's pie. Whatever, alright? So as long as it is made up of meat, minced meat, then yes, we call it shepherd's pie. So shepherd's pie, I'm going to be using about 1 kilogram of minced beef. I'm just going to use up these 2 big carrots, this frozen peas I will use, and this whole can of kernel corns. And with this meat, with this shepherd's pie, I will use up these 2 big medium onions. For me, this is already big, yeah, but it's not yet. So this is just a medium size of onions. So I'm just going to be using up this 2. And about this 4 cloves of garlic. I will mince it later. And I don't have a beef broth, so we have these cubes, but this is made of beef. Okay, so I will use this later, around 1 cup. I will melt it in around 1 cup of boiling water, then I will use it. I will use some tomato paste in this as well. And the most important thing, you have the herbs to make this really nice flavor for your shepherd's pie. For the herbs, I will use some oregano, dried rosemary, thyme, and basil. You can just use thyme or basil or oregano or whatever you have, as long as you have this few herbs in your cupboard. And of course, salt and pepper. We don't have Worcestershire sauce that's supposed to be, will add an additional flavor for this, but my lady boss have this kind of seasoning and it's just a similar taste for this. So you can also use some soy sauce with a bit of sugar in it, then just put it in your meat. Okay, and we have for the toppings, I'm going to be using mashed potatoes. You will see it later how I will do it, with some butter in it. And for the really big topping, I will use maybe all of this parmesan cheese. Alright, so stay with me guys for my whole video, and you can also learn how to make this very simple classic shepherd's pie. By the way, my name is Raquel and I'm Mama Filipina working here in Hong Kong.
It's you, yeah,